Good day, I am Astarte Panganiban from BSI 2202, and for today's video we're going to make the 3D of this figure. So like this one. The last activity that we did is this part. So now let's make this part. So let's get started. So this is the figure that we're going to do. Let's make it 3D. So first, let's change this to SW isometric. Then this part to conceptual, and the first thing that I'm going to do is to click this press pull, then type 0.75, and this one 0.60. Then after that, let's type chamfer edge, then distance is 0.20, 0.25, 0.25. Then click this part, enter. Then after that, let's click again this press pull, then this part 0.35, and also this part 0.75, and this part 0.75. And after that, let's type again chamfer edge with the distance of 0.25 and 0.25. Then click this part. Then after that, let's rotate. So again, press pull this part 0.75, and this part 0.60. Then after that, type again chamfer edge. Then distance is 0.25, then 0.25 again. Then click this part, enter. Then next is press pull. Let's type 0.35. Then this part is 0.75, and also this part 0.75. Then after that, type again chamfer edge with a distance of 0.25, 0.25, then click this part. Then after that, let's change this to hidden. Then let's change the position of these two. Then click, then move to this side, and this one let's move to this side. Then after that, click extrude and then choose loaf. Then click this part and this part, then enter. Then after that, type array, then click this object and enter. Polar, then find the center. Then again, change this to 28. Then, then enter. After that, let's change this to conceptual. Then finish. This is the final output. So thank you. God bless.